Welcome to the Midlife Leap and our game-changing adventures, which are a unique offering in the travel world, helping midlifers redefine their journey with adventures that invigorate, reboot and inspire through our exciting mix of culture, contribution and challenge. Now, why do we all need a midlife adventure of this type? Well, because we need time with friends, new and old, to feed the soul and invigorate our well-being. And combining adventure with meaningful contribution makes for an even more compelling story. There's nothing more rewarding than working as a team to make a difference. The Leap. Who are we? Well, I'm Milly, and together with my amazing team here at The Leap, we've been organising gap year adventures for nearly 20 years with our overseas NGOs who spearhead inspiring development projects. It's through their local knowledge which enables us to put together our unique itineraries, through which everyone experiences local culture, hidden gems, and makes a life-changing contribution. It all happened when I hit 50. That was 4 years ago, and I quietly, and that's a promise, reached for my HRT and 101 supplements and watched all my friends sign up for various retreats or mad challenges. And I thought, oh my God, I want to do more than that. I want to put up my rucksack back on and do what our gap year leapers do. I want to step out of my comfort zone and give myself that sense of adventure and achievement that we give our gap year teams. And just like that, Midlife Leap was born. Now I lead, encourage and organise teams of midlifers to venture around the world, nailing their bucket list in an organised bubble of sisterhood, which invites camaraderie, laughter and friendship bracelets. Many a bracelet. A true tonic and just what we need in midlife. So I invite you to join us on a scheduled departure or go bespoke by choosing your own dates and team of friends, minimum of 8. Our current scheduled adventures are heading to Sri Lanka, Peru, Costa Rica, Colombia and Kenya. Oh, and before I forget, the best bit of feedback from fellow midlifers is once you get to the airport, you can literally switch off as we take over the logistics. So it's time, fellow midlifers, to put yourself first, try something a little different and make your midlife rock. Get in contact and let's start a conversation.
I've never heard an old person say that they regret traveling, only that they regret not traveling. It's all the convincing I need.